Greetings, future global scholars. Are you eager to study abroad but concerned about the costs? So, don't worry, we'll unravel some cost-effective tips to make your international education dreams not just achievable within your budget. As you embark on this journey, remember, Study Abroad Life is here to guide you every step of the way. Managing expenses as an overseas student can indeed be challenging, but with some careful planning and smart strategies, you can effectively handle your finances. Here are some tips to help you manage your expenses. Choose affordable destinations. So, let's kick things off with a crucial strategy: choosing a destination with a lower cost of living. Countries like the UK, Ireland, Germany, and France offer more budget-friendly options for international students, helping you save on accommodation, meals, and daily expenses. Research affordable programs. The next step is to select research affordable programs. Not all study abroad programs are created equal. Research and compare programs to find the most affordable options. Look for scholarships, grants, or financial aid, and explore low-cost study abroad programs from organizations like the Center for Study Abroad, the Foundation for International Education, or the University Study Abroad Consortium. Utilize financial aid. Now, maximize your existing financial aid. Check if your home institution's aid can be applied to your study abroad program. This can significantly reduce out-of-pocket expenses. Reach out to your financial aid office or academic advisor for guidance. Hunt for scholarships. Scholarships are your best friends. Some popular scholarship program providers like Chevening Scholarships, Commonwealth Scholarships, Commonwealth Masters Scholarships, Fulbright Scholarships, and SED Foundation Scholarships. Apply to as many as you can, considering eligibility criteria and deadlines. Chevening Scholarships are prestigious awards funded by the UK government's Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Office and various partner organizations. Look over the official websites for more details on scholarships. Explore volunteer or internship programs. Volunteering or interning abroad can be a cost-effective alternative. Gain practical experience and contribute to meaningful causes. These programs tend to be more affordable, making them an excellent option for budget-conscious students. Plan your budget in advance. The key to financial success: plan your budget comprehensively. Identify all potential expenses and create a detailed spreadsheet. Research average costs in your destination, allocate funds wisely and plan for emergencies. Cut down on accommodation costs. Accommodation can eat into your budget. Save by opting for university housing, shared apartments, or homestays. Immersing yourself in local culture through homestays can be a two-in-one budget and experience win. Save on transportation. Transportation can add up, so be smart. Choose public transportation, inquire about student rates, and consider walking or biking. Save money while exploring your host city intimately. Cook your own meals. Now let's look at meal options. Eating out can dent your budget. Consider cooking your own meals, look for accommodations with kitchens, buy fresh ingredients, and experiment with local flavors. Your wallet and taste buds will thank you. Take advantage of student discounts. Being a student has perks. Enjoy discounts on transportation, museums, entertainment, and more. Carry your student ID everywhere and inquire about student rates. Small savings can add up. Explore free or low-cost activities. Not everything has to cost a fortune. Explore free or low-cost activities in your host city, parks, discounted museum days, free concerts, or nature trails. Immerse yourself in the local culture without breaking the bank. Be mindful of spending habits. Stay in control of your spending. Keep track, review your budget regularly, and avoid unnecessary impulse purchases. Prioritize experiences over possessions. The true value of studying abroad lies in the memories and lessons. So, these strategies to turn your dream of studying abroad into a cost-effective reality. Remember, the journey may seem daunting, but with Study Abroad Life, you have a dedicated companion to guide you through every step. Explore your options, plan wisely, and let Study Abroad Life be the bridge to your transformative international education experience.